Oh, hey fellas, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's like Saturday morning, like 9 a.m. I have a review I have to do. Somebody sent me a propane fire pit table type kind of thing. That'll be coming out next week. So I gotta do that. It's propane. And then my neighbor Darren from across the street, he asked me if I had those small screws for the recoil starter. You know, those tiny little screws for this recoil starter on Tecumseh. So I found a few, I brought it over to him. He goes, oh, no, not those. These, that holds the entire engine cowling cover on it. And they're just 3/8 bolts. And I'm just putting them on for him. He lost like all 4 of them. How do you lose like all 4 of them? Anyway, that golf cart is kicking my ass. And I'll tell you why. Engine spins with the rebuilt starter that I did. Battery doesn't seem to be very strong because it only turns it for like 5 seconds and then slows down, you know. Also, I did some research and it looks like there's a thing called the pickup module or something. It's a little thing that's on the, I want to say the crank shaft or the flywheel or something like that, and it acts like a magneto, you know, when it goes around, whatever, the timing, it knows exactly where to spark, you know. Also, the ignition coil needs to be powered. I've never messed with an ignition coil that needs to be powered, you know, like a car. So there's that, there's the ignition coil, there's the pickup module, whatever, and then there's the pulse, it's a pickup pulse something or other. And then also there's a voltage regulator which is missing from there, and also another module that connects to it. So that's why there's no spark, is because I'm missing all those things. And God knows if the ignition coil or the pulse pickup thing is working. So I'm getting a little discouraged because it seems like I need too many things, don't know enough about it, don't know if the existing ones work, not sure how to test it, not sure if the timing marks on the pulley belt is lined up. I almost feel like I should just put a snowblower engine on there, you know, with an electric start. So anyway, I'm not too excited about that anymore right now because I'm a little frustrated because the lack of knowledge for a golf cart is preventing me from making too much progress. Also, the thought in my mind about how much is this going to cost me to get that thing going, right? Wouldn't it be better if I just went to Harbor Freight Tools and bought like a $150 212cc Predator engine, slap it on there and just, and you go, right? Of course, it wouldn't have electric start. I mean, I guess I could put an electric start on there, but it would be 12 volts, and I think those are 110. So you'd have to plug I'd have to put an inverter in to make it 12 volts. You know, so it's a lot of issues, you know, so I don't know too much about golf carts for me to confidently say that I'll be able to get this going. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. I'm waiting for comments from my subscribers on what to do. I was meaning to put another sticker up. This is for their marine products division. And I've got room here for another big sticker. Gotta help out my sponsors, you know what I mean?
Don't make any wrinkles, Henry.
Oh, shut up. It's just a bloody stick, huh? How bleeding hard could it be? Just push it in from the center out. You won't have any bubbles. It's like putting on one of those cell phone screen protectors. Piece of kite, right? Woo! Look who came by. Look who came. So listen, bro. I don't.
These first Hondas. Welcome.
I've had Honda. I've had Hondas before.
You said when we did the video, you never had a Honda on the channel. Remember with the blades when we were talking about the blades?
No, I've had about half a dozen or so, but I never had any good luck with it.
Oh, okay.
I've always had bad luck with them. Like if an engine doesn't run, I never ever got it to run again. You know what I mean?
This one has a bad transmission.
Are you sure you want to give it to me?
Yep.
I don't understand why you can't just make one out of two.
You see how much stuff I have?
Yeah.
You gotta let go.
I gotta let go.
When I know I can't, I don't have time. So
I understand, and
you could benefit from it more than me.
I appreciate it.
So this one has the good engine. Probably gonna have to clean out the carburetor.
Yeah.
Other than that, that's it.
This one has a good engine, bad tranny.
Bad train.
Gotcha.
And then this is
a cover for a.
You know the MTD, the silver editions.
Okay.
Yes, this is the cover. I wanted to use it.
Use it.
The missus says no. She ordered a new one.
Man, this is good. It's okay.
I wanted to do a mowers and blowers. I wanted to make this nice and even and straight.
Yeah.
And then do like a mud flap.
There you go.
And she ordered it. She took it upon herself. What am I gonna do?
I told Jason. I said,
Don't ever teach your wife how to order parts.
You can make one out of two. You know what I mean? But I figured I could make one out of two. He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to make one out of two. I can make one out of two. You put the good engine on a.
This is the one with the bad.
How do you know it's bad?
Oh. Crankshaft is bent.
Oh. Are they both like the same? Well, you straighten crankshaft.
No luck with this one.
Oh, you tried.
I tried.
Hey, wait a minute. Nice shirt. We're like the Bobbsey twins. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Thanks very much. I do it.
No.
All right, see you, bro. Thank you. All right, another contribution from Jason over at Pate's Performance, bringing me 2 more mowers to work on. Goody, goody. Hey, content is content, right? Making one good Honda out of 2. Don't let me forget that he said this is the hardware for those. Honestly, yeah, I mean, making 1 out of 2 is always fun, you know what I'm saying? Oh, son of a gun. Yeah, 1 out of 2 is always fun. I don't know when I'm gonna find the time for it. I mean, you guys know I'm in the middle of that thing right there, you know what I mean? And this thing is kicking my ass, man. Did I tell you about this yet, or no? Oh, look, he left me these. This is also for the Honda. Yeah, so where do I start? There's like a pulse thing on the flywheel, almost like, I think I told you guys about this, and a CDI module that controls the spark to the ignition coil. The ignition coil might be bad too. So, I mean, like I said, I'm out of my element. I don't understand that stuff. You know what I mean? So, I just don't know what I'm going to do next.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Later.
Because the UPS guy screwed this up. I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Mowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or two, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.